To enable high ping settings in Call of Duty for better gameplay experience, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access game settings. Launch Call of Duty and navigate to the main menu. From there, go to the settings menu where you can adjust various gameplay options. Step 2. Adjust network settings. In the settings menu, look for the network or online settings section. Here, you can find options related to connection preferences and ping settings. Step 3. Enable high ping option. Locate the option that allows you to enable high ping or just ping thresholds. Toggle this setting to allow for high ping connections, which may improve your matchmaking experience. Step 4. Save changes. After enabling the high ping option, make sure to save your changes. Look for a save or apply button in the settings menu to ensure your adjustments take effect. Step 5. Restart the game. Close the game and restart it to apply the new settings. Once the game is back up, check if the changes have taken effect and if your gameplay experience has improved. By following these steps, you should be able to enable high ping settings in Call of Duty. Enjoy your gaming.